Hey, hi, hello. I made those bagels 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I'm not sure how many days ago, but they are gone. Those are easily the best bagels I think I've ever made. I don't think I'm gonna go back to the regular method where it takes like 13 hours to make the bagels. 2.5 hours to make delicious puffy bagels. That's where it's at. That is where it's at. So, I did forget to film the intro. So, hi, hello. My name is Linnea. We live in the suburbs, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey, missed you. Hope you're having a really good day. I'm gonna stop yapping, and you guys are just gonna get to the video where we make some really delicious, easy bagels. Let's go. I have the oven preheated to 425. Got water here, bringing it to a boil, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. And then once this comes to a boil, we're going to boil each bagel for about 1 minute per side. I have an egg wash here. I'm going to wipe it on all of these bagels, and then I'll put different toppings on them. All right, for 2 of them, I'm going to leave plain. For 2 of them, I'm going to use this, and then for the other 4, I'm going to use cheese. So, All right, I'm gonna bake them at 425 for 18 minutes, and I'm gonna rotate them after 9 minutes just because I know how my oven cooks. It's not a necessary thing, but my oven kind of cooks a little bit unevenly, so we're gonna remedy that.